Hello, welcome to Carter & Haynes, and here is our 2000 Audi TT. It's the 1.8 turbo 225 BAM engine, fitted with the 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in raven metallic paint, raven black metallic paint with the grey interior. The car's 2 owners from new. The history file is massive, and it's done exceptionally low mileage of just 27,448. It's had the all-important cam belt change at least twice that we know of, and the car is beautiful throughout. It really does need to be seen to be fully appreciated. The first owner had it since 2000 until 2020, and one private owner since then. These cars are just getting harder and harder to find, so if you'd like any more information or to arrange a viewing, do give us a call on 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814.